Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wealthsimple how to enter a referral code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Entering a referral code on Wealthsimple depends on whether you are signing up for the first time or already have an account. Now, in order to enter a referral code, what you need to do is head over and open up your Wealthsimple app and then tap on the sign up option. Now during the registration process, you'll see an option to enter a referral code. Enter the code and complete your account setup. Meet the eligibility requirements, example deposit and trade to get the reward. Default rewards vary, example free stocks, cash bonuses and crypto. No referral codes must be entered during sign up. Existing users cannot apply a referral code retroactively. Now, if you want to find and share your own referral code, you can open the Wealthsimple app, then tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then tap on the option that says refer a friend, then copy your unique referral link and share it on rewards when you find friends sign up and qualify. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.